Hey guys, welcome to my instructional video. Today what I'm going to be doing is teaching you guys all about traveling and some of the best websites that I have found to help me as a resource when I'm figuring out where I want to go. So one of the things we're going to look at today, the only website we'll look at today actually is called Expedia, and many of you are probably familiar with this website, but I have found that it has been a great resource for me in all of my traveling endeavors, and it really maps out hotels, flights, and really just things to do in my new location and where I want to go. One of the things I should note about this video is that you should already have figured out a place that you want to go to, and Expedia pretty much helps you figure out the flights, hotels, and the places you want to go. So it should really just more so be about once you have established the place that you're going to be traveling, how you're going to get there, and the things that you're going to see once you're there. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is type in expedia.com. It's as simple as that, and it will take you to the website. So this is what the website looks like. We're going to be navigating this today. One of the things I love about this website is that right off the bat, the very first thing that you see is the bundle and save. And everybody likes to bundle and everybody likes to save, so I really enjoy that this is one of the first things it takes it to. Another thing I'd like to point out is that there are a bunch of tabs up here. Today we're going to be focusing on the flights, the hotels, bundling and saving, and things to do. While there are other resources here such as cars, cruises, vacation rentals, deals, and more, we're only going to focus on those core 4 tabs because I think that they're going to be the most useful for most of the trips that people go on. So today I'm going to just do a demo, meaning I'm just going to type in a place that I'm not necessarily traveling to anytime soon, but it's just fun to look at. So I'm going to type in Philadelphia Airport because that's where I'm from. And you'll see when you type in 4 characters, there are a bunch of different options located here, and there's 2 that are located in Philadelphia. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one here. And my destination that I'm going to choose today, I'm going to look at Nashville. I'm actually going there in March, so I felt that this would be useful for me and anyone who's traveling to Nashville. These are some great steps that you can take in order to do so. So I'm going to type in my dates next, and I'm going to go to March. So you can tab through this to find your date and your location. So I'm going to be leaving March 3rd. And it gives you a date to come back, so I actually don't like that date, so I'm going to change it to the 9th. And there's only one of me, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to change it to 1 adult, 1 room. So basically what it's doing right now is after typing in all of these details, it's giving you a flight and hotel. If you want more options, you can do flight, hotel, and car, just the flight and car, or just the hotel and car. So I'm going to focus on what it's giving me right now, which is the flight and the hotel. And it gives you the option. It says I only need a hotel for part of my stay. I'm not going to click that because I do need it for all of my stay. So after I've typed in all of my information, I'm going to go ahead and click search. So what it's doing right now is the page is loading. It's finding all of the best flights and all of the best hotels. It's comparing a bunch of different websites, and it's basically putting all of those websites together to find the cheapest and best option for me. So after choosing that, I would just like to point that we are still on the bundle and save, which is amazing. So what we're seeing now is when you scroll down a bit, it gives you a bunch of different options hotel-wise to stay. And what I really like about this website is that it gives you a deal of the day as the very first one. And what that is basically it's like the cheapest that it can be. So it stays up here, and then a bunch of the other ones are listed here. They give you a bunch of details. They tell you how many they have left, and you're able to kind of look at each hotel and each star that it gives them. So the star points are located here too. A really nice feature about this website is that located here on the left side, you can actually filter out some things that you do or don't want when you're traveling. So say I wanted a rental, I could check off the list here, or say I only wanted really good ratings, I could check off exceptional. And then another thing that it does is it takes you to different locations. So if I wanted downtown Nashville, I could click that. And there's just a bunch of different amenities and a lot of different things that I like about this website that checks it off for you. So one of the things that I'm going to do now is kind of like go into one of these deals Maybe not this one because it's very expensive. Um, Most of these are going to be pretty expensive based on me pressing downtown Nashville. So that's something to take into consideration when you're looking through, no matter where you're looking at. Paying attention to these tabs are going to get you better deals. So that's great for the hotels. If you're looking for prices, I know that's usually at the top of all of our minds. What I would recommend is kind of unclicking everything so that you can get the best price possible. So simply hitting something like reset, and it takes you back to that lowest price possible that you're looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and click in on the fifth one down. So this one's called the Baymont Winden. So it actually takes you to a new tab if you're looking specifically for the hotels, and then you get to see where it is on the map. You get to see how long you're staying for, and it's just a really great resource that I'd recommend. So this is the second part of choosing your room. So you choose your room, and then it'll take you to choose your flight after you've chosen where you want to be staying for the week. So I'm just going to pick this for now so that you guys can see the next experience that we have on this website. So the final thing that it's going to do is picking your flight. So as soon as this page loads, there's going to be a bunch of different times, and a lot of what's happening right now is that it says 0 round trip, and that's because it has already factored into the hotel and everything, which is $5.99. So this is that bundled deal that I've been talking to you guys about. If you don't want to do bundled, that's a whole nother thing. So hotels by itself, cars by itself, and flights by itself. But today we're looking at bundle, so it takes everything and puts it all together. Another thing that I'm going to do, so say I wanted to pick this, I would pick select, and then select this fare, and it tells you all the stuff that you can have. I'm not going to go ahead and do that right now, but just so you guys know how to do that, that would be the last and final step for the bundle and save aspect of Expedia. So taking us back to the home page, another thing I wanted to look at was things to do. I did mention that earlier. So this is kind of taking into account everything I've already typed into before. Expedia kind of recognizes that and knows that I'm doing that, which is another great thing. I don't have to retype anything. So I click search, and here it takes me to all of the adventures and excursions, tours and sightseeings, and attractions and nightlife. And you can actually just purchase things on the website so that you don't have to worry about it once you get into Nashville or wherever it is that you're going. So they have a bunch of different things to do around Nashville that I love. And I frequently use this tab because I think it's really essential for your trip that you just have everything planned and ready to go. So all of these different things, and it's as easy as just clicking on it. It takes you to the page. It tells you all about the reviews. It gives you pictures, which is great. And then you can check your availability. So yeah, that's pretty much Expedia in a nutshell. I really enjoy this website, and I think it's pretty essential for anyone that's traveling. And I definitely recommend it to people that are either going domestic or international, anywhere that you plan on going. The bundle and save is your best bet. And this is a great resource and a great website to making the best trip possible.